Sometimes things happen that make me feel angry and sad. But I can't let that make me do something bad. There's nothing on the screen. What are you talking about? You guys are crazy. Who are you?
I'm you.
You don't look anything like me. Oh, it is me. How about that?
Well, I'm your conscience, that inner voice inside you that helps you be a better person.
Oh, circle all the way around. Grab each other, and huge bow. Throw it up again, really high. Woo! Oh no. And then pretend to laugh at him. Laugh. And then touch your shoulder. Hey, you threw that at me.
You trying to hurt me. You did that on purpose. I'm so mad at you. Why would you do that? I don't like you. Ha 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 ha. You got hit in the head and you're laughing now. Ha ha ha.
In your heart. Who likes to be excited? Hey, stop, think, act.
I'm in control now.
It was a really engaging show. It got the kids really excited to listen and interact. There was a lot of components of interaction, getting kids up on the stage, getting them involved from their seats, but really just the concept of stop, think, and act was presented really well in a way that the kids could really make a connection, especially with some of the examples of the kids coming up on stage and sort of getting involved in role playing and interacting. I think the message went over really well for our students. We're really thankful that you came here today.
Just fooling around. You heard a yell. Guess someone fell. They were hurt on the ground.